Welcome friends. In our previous tutorial, we have learned about ActionScript Basic. Now we are creating digital clock in Flash using ActionScript. First of all, create new Flash document. Now to display a time, we will create a text box. Name it clock. Now let us write ActionScript for displaying time. Go to Action panel of frame 1. Now we will store system time in a variable. Write var keyword variable time equal to new date. The time will have a value of system time. Now we will create three more variables for hour, minute and second. Now we will display hour, minute and second to text box. Let us run the script. For that, press Ctrl and Enter. We can see that the system time is displayed in SWF file, but it is not changing. For that, we will create second keyframe and in its action script we will write go to and play frame 1. Select frame 2, select insert keyframe. In action panel write go to and play frame 1 semicolon. Press Ctrl Enter. Now we can see that the system time is changing second by second. This is a basic digital clock. You can use formatting as you want. Thank you.